Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best foldable headsets, unveiling portable audio excellence. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Marshall Major 4 Bluetooth Headphone. Immerse yourself in music and gaming sessions with the Marshall Major 4 Bluetooth headphones. This headphones with on-ear design, foldable construction, 80-hour playtime, mic, suitable for sports, gaming, and other activities. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Baseus Bowie B05 Wireless Headset. Elevate your audio experience with this headphones. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these headphones provide hi-fi stereo sound and offer the flexibility of dual wired and wireless usage. The foldable design enhances convenience, making them your ideal companion for on-the-go entertainment. At number 3. Logitech G331 Gaming Headset. Dive into the gaming world with this headset. Featuring convenient volume control, bass surround technology, and a noise-canceling microphone, this wired headset delivers crystal-clear audio and is compatible with PC, PS4, and PS5 platforms. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Wireless headphones. Foldable Bluetooth earphones. Enjoy immersive hi-fi sound with these foldable wireless earbuds. With Bluetooth connectivity and support for TF card playback, these headphones are versatile and compatible with PC, Xiaomi, iPhone, and various other smartphones for an uninterrupted listening experience. At number 1. Marshall Major 3 Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Experience the signature Marshall sound with the Major 3 Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. These original headphones offer deep bass, a foldable design for easy portability, and a built-in microphone for seamless gaming, sports, and music experiences.